In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer Microsoft Authenticator to a new iPad. Let's jump in. To start, make sure you still have your old iPad or iPhone with the Microsoft Authenticator app installed. This method works when moving from one Apple device to another, such as from an iPad to another iPad, or from an iPhone to an iPad. It doesn't work if you're switching from Android to iPad, since Microsoft Authenticator doesn't support cross-platform transfers. Now grab your old iPhone or iPad. In my case, I used my old iPhone to make the move. Go to Settings, tap your name at the top, and open iCloud. Find the section for iCloud backup or apps using iCloud, and make sure the toggle for Microsoft Authenticator is turned on. This ensures your Authenticator data gets saved to your iCloud. Next, take the latest backup of your added account from the Microsoft app settings. Open the Microsoft Authenticator app. Tap the three lines in the top left corner and go to Settings. In the Backup section, turn on iCloud Backup and make sure you're signed in with your Microsoft account. Please allow a few seconds for the backup to complete and kindly verify the last backup time to ensure it is up to date. Now switch to your new iPad. Download the Microsoft Authenticator app from the App Store. Open it and choose the option to recover accounts. Sign in using the same Microsoft account you used on your old device. The app will find your iCloud backup and automatically restore your accounts. Once the recovery finishes, you'll see all your accounts appear on your new iPad. Try logging into one of them to make sure the verification code or approval works. After confirming everything's working, you'll see both devices listed in the recovery section of the app. And that's it. You've successfully moved Microsoft Authenticator to your new iPad. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the Free Tech Guide for new tips and tricks.